Hey y'all, it's Jen. Welcome back. I just wanted to do an unboxing of my April mystery sticker kit from DEK Designs. I've already opened it, but I'm gonna show you what I got. I think everything's really adorable in here. So this kit will be used the week of Easter. I'm doing a collab with Cordelia0704. Because she is also a big DEK fan. And so we're going to do the same kit shown to, interpreted by two different people using it. So I just want to show you what I got. These are so cute. That little chick with the bow and then the bunny with April on it. I thought that was really cute. All right, and then we got some box stickers. Let's see, we got the bunny again, a cake, fingernails decorated like Easter eggs. Speaking of nails, don't look at mine. They're still a hot mess. I'm gonna get them done eventually. Life, you know. Anyway, so Easter eggs, a bunny butt. That's cute. And then turn this to the side. So a view of a table with some tulips in it and some bunnies on the top and a bunny ice cream cone. That is really cute. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, okay, so this has days of the week in it. It's got some headers and dividers and some washi, some flags. Everything is foil. It's not hollow foil. I think it's just straight gold foil this time. It's got some pretty pictures of young ladies in beautiful Easter looking dresses. Cordelia doesn't like people ones, but I do, so I'm going to definitely use these. And here's some other things, some more banner headers, flags, some work headers where you can indicate, what your shift is if you do shift work. And then all kinds of other little icons for the cakes, eggs, bunnies, chicks, all the little things. Some smaller boxes to go in there. Decorative bow. The bow is kind of like the symbol for the company, so it's really cute. I love all these pastel colors, especially the purple, because you know how your girl loves purple here. And then some headers of things today to do. This week, meals, work, exercise, and then some heart checklists here, a weekend banner, some other decorative things there, and then some more checklists. Then I've got other event markers, payday plan, errands, laundry, tidy up, Target run, movie night, shopping list, hump day, grateful, Walmart, social media, happy mail, trash eve, which I wish I had two of those because I have two trash eves. Date covers to go with the day of the week. And then some other cute little icons, some sneakers, some chores, some self-care, coffee, all kinds of other cute little things. These are just so adorable. And then, of course, some scalloped boxes and bow dividers, that type of thing, which, like I said, these are kind of the trademark of the company, which I think is really cute. And then some flowery bunny ones. So, like I said, Cordelia and I are going to be doing a collab the week of Easter. I think we're going to put it up on Tuesday the 12th. She has a kit exactly like mine, and we are going to link to each other's page that day so that you can see how two people use the same kit in different ways. So that's always, we did this last month and it was a lot of fun. So we thought we'd try it again this month. So, oh, by the way, if you haven't already subscribed to her channel, I'm going to link her to the description below. She is about 6 people away from getting 500 subscribers, and she really wants 500 subscribers so that she can have a community tab. She is always out for the bargains, and she would love to share that information with the rest of us. And it's much easier to do if you've got a community tab, and the YouTube rules state that you need to have a minimum of 500 subscribers. So if you haven't already subscribed to her, I'll link her below. I'll put her name down below so that you can subscribe to her channel and help her get to that 500. Thanks for watching this. If you like what you saw with mine, give me a thumbs up, please, to help my algorithm. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it. I'm close to 30 subscribers, and I would love you to be number 30. And if you want to know when I make more videos, just hit the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I do more. And as always, I appreciate your support. Have a great day. Peace out.